Hello, I'm Daniela. I'm Italian living in London, and I would like to share with you the story of how I have been improving my vision. I've been wearing glasses for short-sightedness or myopic since for over 30 years. So I must have been 14 when I started wearing glasses, and I'll always wore contact lenses. And that repeatedly, every day, day and night, I could not get rid of the glasses, or even more of contact lenses because I hated glasses. And then a couple of years ago, I read Peter Grumbu's story, and he is an Alexander Technique teacher and also a natural um, vision improvement educator. And what he said in his book was, well, if your vision can get worse, then your vision can get better. And this phrase resonated to me so much that I decided to give it a go. So a couple of years ago, I decided to explore doing things without glasses. And I must say that as soon as I decided to get rid of the glasses or the contact lenses for a certain period of time, I immediately had a sense of relief. I immediately sensed an expansion all in this area. I I welcomed the blur. I did not get scared of the blur actually welcoming, and I was surprised how much I could see. And yes, a couple of years ago I was -7, and in a short period of time I managed to go from -7 to -5. And all that by doing work by myself most of the time, by just not wearing glasses when unless I had to. And when I went to the optician, yeah, he said, yeah, it's fine. You can wear -5 glasses for daily activities, but for driving, you still have to use the -7 glasses. And so I did. I I even carried on wearing contact lenses with most of the time -5 prescription, and very rarely I wore the higher prescription. And in fact, I also introduced another pair of glasses -3, which I have to say I couldn't always wear. I didn't feel comfortable with this prescription. So I'm I then for over a year I just stay with these prescriptions on and off. I did the exercises by myself, uh, exercise that I learned through reading various books on visions. Occasionally I saw a teacher, and then because of various circumstances I had to stop working on my vision. Even though I stopped, meaning I didn't carry on doing various exercises, I still was still at the back of my mind this idea that no, I don't need glasses all the time. I don't need to be dependent on the glasses. I don't need them while I'm meeting or while I'm walking around the house. So I did manage to stay for over a year with that prescription. And in fact, I was using the -5 glasses for even driving during the day. Then in January 2021, I watched the Natural Vision Improvement Summit. And again, the passion for improving the vision came back. Well, never left me, but I just decided to take it on board again. And then I enrolled on the Ainhoa's course. And now it's been, what can I say, maybe 6 weeks and the improvement has been massive. So I'm using now all the time the -3 glasses, or if no glasses at all. As you can see, I'm talking to you in the computer without wearing glasses, which is a massive achievement for me. And I managed to work um, online, or even on a one-to-one basis. I generally teach. I managed to work with the -3 glasses, and sometimes I also managed to work without the glasses. So I'm very, very happy to where I am at the moment, and I'm confident that if I carry on working on my vision, I can eventually get to no need to wear glasses at all. Or in any case, this is my aim. What I would like to share, so this is my story, how I started, where I am now. What I would like to share is that to improve my vision, and to be where I am, I had to go through a process, a beautiful process, a beautiful journey, the journey of an exploration, exploring and finding out what I do when I want to see, finding out that I really want to see, and therefore every time I look at a chart, I try really, or I was trying really hard to look at those letters, and this is what it was getting in my way. So what I learned through the course with Ainhoa is that I need to look at what I'm doing. I need to look at the emotional aspect. I need to embrace all the little improvements I'm making in order to go forward. And what I like about the course is that there is so much positivity, positive affirmation all the time, recognitions of achievement, recognitions of lots of kindness. When there are moments of discomfort, yes, I have back on my mind what I know says, well, we need to see the improvement, how much we have evolved, or I have evolved. And so my message is, it's a journey. Improving my vision is a journey that takes the time it takes, with ups and downs, but a journey that in the end includes not just an improvement of the vision, but an overall coordination. So to give an example, I am a person who generally suffers from labyrinthitis or vertigo, so my balance is not very good. And exercises like the long swing, where I had to turn the head right and left and the whole body, have really helped me to get rid of any sickness or any sense of imbalance. And it's because gradually I have embraced the sickness sensation, and gradually I have allowed myself to grow into was the discomfort, to the point that now I can just turn my head right and left, up and down, and I don't feel dizzy or sick. So it just shows how the work I've been doing to improve my vision has actually helped me to coordinate the whole of myself, to improve the whole of myself. Well, this is my story. I hope this can be helpful for other people who are interested in embarking on this journey. Thank you for listening.